Okay, rightio, we put the small head on now. You can see the difference in the camera. So this is going to hopefully get around the elbow and get us through the line. Okay, you can see it doesn't invert this camera, but hopefully being small, it'll get around. Almost. Really tough going to get this camera around this corner. I'll just pause it and we'll work on it. Okay, I've actually greased the head of the camera. We've managed to get around. Now this, as I say, this is a small head which doesn't invert to level. So you will see the picture, but it will not be. Self-leveled. Okay, you can see once again more tree roots in the line. And again, see, every join that we come across has got an intrusion of roots because the ring seals of the old clay pipe have failed. Continuing. Roots. Okay, once again, more tree roots. You can see it's starting to hold water here at 27.1. You can see the roots tailing down. From the top of the pipe, you can see where the camera is and the water line to get your level of invert. And we're underwater at this point to a stalemate at 28.6. Totally underwater here. As we come back, you can start to see the camera shot again. You can see the greasy build-up on the top of the pipe. This has probably been a bit of a drama for some time. Just so you can see the roots coming in on that join there, very greasy. Like I say, we're totally underwater now with the camera. That just blacked out, and that's as far as we go, so it's like a dead end at 28.9 metres. The cutter also couldn't go through past this point. It about 30 metres. We'll just pause it there. Okay, you can see what I'm in. Proverbial rock in a hard place. You can see it at 29 metres, it just goes black. Whether this is a severed pipe, the jet could not break through this. You can see it's just full of sewerage as they're still using it. It's actually come up through the level. At 26 we're still underwater, we're starting to come out of it on the 25. So, not good. I'm going to have to try and retrieve the camera and get another cutter down there and try and cut through this rubbish. So I'll pause it there and we'll try and break through this section.